The story of this guy wanna see here, where we are white, go teach many of una lesson. Muna listening to this story and learn a lot from it. This guy where we are white, they call him Chijoke. This guy traveled to village with his wife. As he traveled to village, he come from there, branch in best friend house where they call Silas. Come stay with his friend. Now he return back to the city the next day. On getting to the city, he got surprised, say, he with his wife, they work out one day. 9 men come double cross him. They come hold Chijoke, come put her inside their car, come drive off. So the wife now, no know wetin dey happen. He can't dey helter-skelter, dey stranded. He no know where he want start from, whether na police or no be police. He no know wetin she want talk about him husband. After some time, they come collect the phone number of his wife from Chijoke phone. Now they come call the wife. Come tell the wife, say, them na kidnappers, na him carry the husband. And if you want see his husband alive again, say he need to do wetin they talk. And wetin they talk, be say he go give them 10 million naira, or they go buy the husband. Now this woman now feel devastated. Now she begin to run around to see on wetin she want do. So as time goes on now, she can raise that 10 million naira. Now he come package and they come carry and deliver to these kidnappers. When they deliver the 10 million to these kidnappers, now the kidnappers now contact Chijoke, say his wife don't deliver the money. Say right now make it come they go. When Chijoke stand up to go, now Chijoke can't tell the kidnapper, say, I beg. Say, if they go fit give him 500,000 from that money, say he need them, I beg. If they go fit do that favor, say he go dey very, very grateful. Now the kidnappers can't tell her, what do you want to do with the 500,000? Now he can't tell them, say, he get him best friend will be Silas, and he promise him, say, if they pay him in pension money, say that 10 million, now in pension money where they pay him, say he go give her 500,000 because that his friend they suffer and he need them. Now the kidnappers now come untie in eye. Now they come to and say, this Silas where they here, now you they talk about. Now he come surprised, say yes. Say, wetin bring Silas? Say, how he take come here? Say, wetin they do here? Now the kidnappers come tell and say, this Silas, now he tell us, say, you get this 10 million. Say they won't pay you pension of this 10 million. Now arrangers will come pick you. So you even get good heart where you wants to give her 500,000. Now the guy now come bust cry. Come they tell Silas, say you get mind to do me this kind of thing. Why? So why you do me this kind of thing? Now kidnappers tell her, say no need to cry, be a man. Now they carry gun. Give Chijoke. Say make he buy Silas. Say Silas na bad person. Now Chijoke carry gun. Mine no feel let him make he shoot Silas. Because Silas na him homie, na him tight friend. Now he look Silas. He say Silas say he forgive him. Say he no buy Silas. Say don't waste woman blood. You don't want make woman blood dey in head. Say anything a person do, make he carry a hand carry, which is evil that men do, make it fall upon them. Now they tell am say he no be man. Now they collect the gun. They can't carry the gun. Give Silas. Come tell Silas say, this your friend Chijoke don't see your face. So you know say if you leave here, I go cast you. So take this gun, make you buy Chijoke, so that everything go dey sealed up. Now Silas collect the gun. Chijoke come begin the beg Silas. Say, you be my friend now, no fit buy you. Why you won't come buy me now? Say, anything will happen here, remain here. And if you come out here, no ear go hear him. Say, I beg, you get wife, I ain't get children. Make you no just buy him. Before you know it, now Silas, cock gun, press trigger, make it buy Chijoke. Lo and behold, bullet no dey the gun. So, when he press trigger, we bullet no dey the gun, we no shoot. Now they collect the gun from her. Now they tell Chijoke, shey you see her? Shey na this person you say na him be your best friend. Now you dey think of even to take 500,000 from your pension money to go give. Say, actually, now this guy, now arrange us. We set you up. We don't tell you. Say, see am, you say na your best friend. See, say, if say bullet dey here, if I don't buy you now. Well, you're a very nice person. And we, where this guy arrange, we no be buyers. He arrange us, we need money. And we will get conscience, because we see say you get conscience, you're a good person. We can't see the wonder why this kind of person go do you this thing. Well, we need the money. Make two of them come off our face, they go. But since you're a good person, come. Now they bring that 10 million, share them into two, carry 5 million, give Chijoke, tell her, say, make him with his friend disappear from them, they no one see them. Now two of them come out there. When they come out there, Chijoke come run, go village now. Come begin the tell villagers, say, see what happen. No? Now Silas na him do me this thing. Now Silas na him set me up. As he tell the whole village now, everybody come there always say Silas na into this thing. They call Silas, they don't see Silas. After 2 days now, and they hear say get person wey commit suicide, and I know what you mean, person wey don't buy himself inside bush. They come run go the bush. They come be say Silas don't go hang himself for 3. My people, this story go teach many of una a lesson. Wetin e go teach una above all be say, no be everything wey dey happen for your life you need to tell person. Some things remain secret and personal. Anything wey dey happen for your life, wey get to do with finance, wey be good thing wey dey happen to your life, wey be payment wey they want pay you, oga, madam, keep it to yourself. As your man dey do blah blah blah, try to dey zip up because it helps a lot. And if something no happen, you no go know who be your friend, because if breeze blow, now you go fit see chicken nash. You know, see I'm say this is good friend. When him they always hope say na good friend he be, but actually na devil we just the fool am, we dey find opportunity to strike. Thank you. Share this video, make many people see am, so that they will learn a lot from it. Your sharing will teach person or give another person opportunity to make change for his life. Thank you, and God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.